Hello guys, welcome, and today we are playing Animal Jam Play Wild. So, I played this before, but it was like a really long time ago. I'm gonna go with a wolf, and I'm going to meet my OC. Okay, it's gonna take forever. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm thinking because we can't actually do frostbite, we're gonna try and do the closest to it. So, yeah. This forest, you know what? Snowflake frozen wolf. Right, come on. Okay, so let's get the gameplay. Again, I listen to my music. Listen to my music. Okay, Spec, I am a wolf. Like, I played the computer one. I like the computer one better, by the way. Yeah, so let's see, customize. Okay, this is where we can make her frostbite. Gonna make her white. Gonna make her snowy white.
Daddy, why did you eat my fries? I bought them, and baby, but you ate them. Yeah, you ate
I think I might do.
But you didn't sing. Daddy, do you even love me? Well, I wish you would show it, 'cause I wouldn't know it. What kind of daddy does daughters fry?
Yes, yeah.
This magic keeps me alive,
Okay.
but it's making me crazy, and I need to save you.
I'm gonna do.
But who's going to save me? Please forgive me for
maybe these
whatever I do
Yeah,
when
maybe.
I don't remember you.
Okay, corrections. It's not
Please
letting me do
forgive
them.
me for whatever I do
Back to the eyes.
when I don't
See if I
remember
can
you.
try. See, these patterns are not. Okay. Well, it's like 11 p.m. and stuff, so I'm tired. Ooh, I need to dizzy. And I have a okay, I think I'm done. Wait, I think I might change the
Go ahead
eyes.
and try and hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable? I can see you hate the way we intermingle, but I
Still
think
can't
you're
do
just mad 'cause
patterns.
you're
They won't let
single.
me do
You're
the
not gonna
patterns,
stop
so-
when we made together.
Okay,
We're gonna stay like this forever. If you break us apart, we'll just come make you up.
Let
And
me
we'll
go
always be
now. I
twice
want
the
to
gem
go.
that you are. I am a
why aren't you talking?
someone who knows what
Let
you're
me
going
out.
through.
Let me out.
You might not believe it. You might not believe
Okay, guys.
but you
I think like the game crashed or something, so yeah. Bye guys, happy Halloween!
love me and I love both. Go ahead and try and hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable? I can see you hate the way we intermingle, but I think you're just mad 'cause you're single. And you're not gonna stop what we made together. We are gonna stay like this forever. If you break us apart, we'll just come make you up, and we'll always be twice the gem that you are. I am